Professor Nazaraliev is an internationally acclaimed narcologist whose family were well-known psychiatrists. When he announced himself in the late 1980s, he received a patent for a new method of alcohol and drug addiction treatment. In 1991, the professor opened the first private rehab clinic in the Soviet Union, the Nazaraliev Medical Center. In 30 years of medical practice, the professor has cured 18,000 patients from over 40 countries, including the USA, Russia, Germany, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Algeria. Today, the Nazaraliev Hospital is the largest treatment facility in Eurasia and the most efficient in terms of results. Between 1995 and 2001, Dr. Nazaraliev traveled the world studying how to combat drug trafficking and drug addiction. Fatal Red Poppies was first published in 2001 and was a result of his travel to 5 continents, visiting over 50 countries. The book is based on professional experience, sharing flashbacks from meetings with drug addicts, doctors, police officers, security guards, customs officials, and religious leaders with differing beliefs. Other spiritual learnings were also gleaned from the Aborigines of Tasmania and Tibetan sages. The author has his own vision on how world experience may be applied today to the advantage of the individual and society in general. In 2001, having studied worldwide the experience in combating drug addiction and drug trafficking, Dr. Nazaraliev founded the NGO Mind Free of Drugs, a world league, announcing its mission to nurture future generations to organize a conscious immunity to drugs. The first honorary members were the UN Secretary Kofi Annan, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and the actor and politician Arnold Schwarzenegger. In 2002, Dr. Nazaraliev announced that Tashtarata will become the mountain of salvation in Kyrgyzstan, the location of the third millennium, becoming an object of pilgrimage and introspection for drug addicts from all over the world. Today, Russians and Armenians, Canadians and Americans, Kazakhs and other nations come to Tashtarata for their salvation. 2012 to 2013, Dr. Nazaraliev was the first in the world to organize online treatment for drug addicts in 7 languages. The 20-part serial Dr. Life narrated a course of treatment for patients from the USA, Germany, Ukraine and Russia, and 1 year later showed the results of rehabilitation to the world. In 2021, Professor Nazaraliev made it his goal to lift the ban on the cultivation and production of hemp for technical, medical and recreational purposes in Kyrgyzstan. In this, the professor sees an opportunity for the economic, social and spiritual transformation of the Kyrgyz people. Dr. Nazaraliev has an interest in sports, integral yoga according to the Sri Aurobind system, interest in the mysteries of the universe, and his favorite authors are Hermann Hesse, Immanuel Kant and Friedrich Nietzsche.